Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
To insert doors and windows, like we have seen before, we need to go to apertures. In apertures, we will go to door, standard, and we will insert it here. The door opens to the interior, inside, which means we'll have to start in this side of the wall. If the door opens to the outside, we will start the building like we will insert the door in the other side of the wall. But since it opens to the interior, we will place it in the interior. And now it would open to the interior in the 3D view. Like you see, the door opens to the interior. As for the window, this is a window, I don't know how to call this, maybe a French window or something. It's a window but a door at the same time, a window that opens. And the closest type of windows is this one here, rectangular window with mullion. I will click on it and then I will place it. It starts from this point to this one. As for windows, we can start in this side of the wall or this one. There is no problem about that. Now let's change the dimensions of this window. Let's make the height 2.5 and for the sill height, let's make it 0.2. The width of the frame should be 0.05. Same thing for this mullion in the middle, it should be 0.05. And if I go to the room view here, I have this.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.